I'm not a grouch. You a grouch. Don't bite it. You make your bubba worse. Don't bite it. It's gonna hurt. I see it. I know. I see you, Bobo. Peekaboo. Stop biting you, Bobo. Stop it. I can't wrap it because you're just gonna tear it off. I'm gonna give you medicine. I'm gonna go give you medicine so you quit picking at it. It's tingling. It's tingling. Got pins and needles in it. We'll go get you gabapentin. Yeah, I know it hurts. But if you keep biting at it, it's gonna hurt more. Don't bite it. It's gonna hurt even more. Okay? All right, let's go to bed. You ready to go to bed? Happy birthday to you.